guys, today I gonna show you which type of cooking style European people they use for his daily life. So you can see guys, it's a hot plate burner. So mostly European people they use this hot plate burner, and I would like to let you know in Asia and in Africa as well, as we are not using this kind of things, right? We are using direct flame of fire. But if you will go to the Europe side, so you will see this kind of things. And here also you can operate. For example, this four plate you can operate one, two, three, four. So this one is for this, and this one for the another one, and this one for this smaller one, and this for the bigger one. So these things, and inside there is a oven as well. As so if you want to bake anything, so you can operate from here. If you want to bake anything, so you can just turn on which cooking method you want to use, like roasting, steam roasting, or steam. So it's a depend you. For example, I want to show you, I'm just turning on this one, for example 100-degree, and you can see it's on now. So this is guys European standard of cooking things. So here also have it takes, if you are cooking anything over here, so it takes the warm air and he put outside, right? So this is the thing guys which I want to show you. So right now I have to turn off this one because we are not using these things. So this is the thing guys which I want to show you. So that's it.